Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery. Summer has arrived, and when I think of summer, I think of ladybugs and butterflies. So what we're going to do today, some people are interested in having a wreath hang on their front door, but what about something else decorative? So I'm going to show you ways that you can decorate a ladybug or a butterfly to hang on your front door. This one, I'm just going to add some flowers to them. Just makes it a little bit brighter so you can see it as you're driving by. I'm going to start out by adding a Gerber daisy. Again, wonderful summer flower. And I'm just going to stick that through my grapevine. Kind of leave it out just a little bit. Daffodils tend to be a little bit more spring, but I love the yellow pop that they bring. Red and yellow always seem to look so great together, and they're just bright and festive. So I'm going to put in my daffodil. So I've added in the daisy, I've added in the daffodil. Again, I love my red and yellow. And so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some grasses. And again, I'm just placing those through the grapevine. It just gives it a little extra pop. So this is one thing that you could do, and then just hang it right on your door. Actually, I'm going to add another piece and cut it in half because it's too long. And then you could just hang this on your front door. Or if you didn't want to add anything on top of your insect, then what you could do is you could use the hanger. And I love to have ribbon on things. And we can create a hanger that we hang it with on the door. So I'm just going to run the ribbon through. I'm going to come up and let's see, I wouldn't want it much longer than this. So here I'm going to come and tie a knot in it. Now you could leave it just like this, or we could add a bow to it. So, and make sure you check out all of our other videos on how to tie bows. This is just going to be a little bit of a tie your shoe bow, nothing too hard. I'm just going to do 4 loops. And then we're going to come onto our hanger up at the top, and I'm going to wrap the bow around it using the wire. Then I'm going to trim off the long tails. And I'm actually going to do it in what I call a ducktail. So you fold your ribbon in half, and if you point your scissors down, it makes your ducktail. If you were to fold it in half and point your scissors up, it makes your duck beak. So either way, or you can just cut it at a diagonal. And then I'm ready to hang my butterfly on my front door. So whichever one you like better, maybe you want to add flowers or maybe you want to add a hanger. But either way, they'll be enjoyable all summer. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.